Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be learning about swing frames. So what's a swing? I mean not that swing. So this is Java swing. So this is literally GUI in Java. Okay, so let's just go first create a new project. So it's Java project. I'll just name this swing window or swing frame because today we'll be learning about frames. And just click finish. Okay, so let's now quickly click on swing frame, file, new class, and let's name this main. Click public static void main, and let's click finish. Okay, so we have this little code editor. So I know if you're like seeing this video new and you're new to Java, I sure recommend you to watch my Java course. So make sure to watch that before you come to this video so you can understand everything here. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is type j frame equal to new j frame. So we are literally creating a new j frame object. Okay, so now you can see an error. So we need to import this before we do anything. So let's just quickly import jframe. So it's import java x.swing.jframe. Okay, so the first thing when we run this, you can't actually see anything because it's set to false because the visibility is set to false. So we have to quickly set that to true. So what we can do is type in frame dot set visible true. So let's keep this in the bottom. So now when we run this, we have a really small window. So currently it's like kind of really hard to see. So let's go quickly set the size. So for that we can set the frame dot set size. So maybe I'll take 400 by 400. So this is the x dimension and this is the y dimension. Okay, so now when we run this should be visible. So this is a pretty visible window. Okay, so the next thing we'll be adding is let's change. Actually, I forgot to say this. If you notice, you can see the program is still running because I can still terminate the program even though I press the close button. It's because in default, when you close a window, it will be automatically set to hide on close. That means even though you think you have closed the program, it's running in the background. So what we can do for that? So let's quickly set frame dot set default close operation and type j frame dot exit on close. So default it will be hide on close, and you can actually do nothing on close. This is kind of annoying if you do this to other people. So like let's just try this. So nobody can close this window now. It's just annoying. So we can press this button terminating. So let's quickly set this to exit on close because we need to close the program. We don't want it to keep on running. The next thing we can do is set the resizable. So if you don't want the user to resize your program, you can just set frame dot set resizable to false. So I'll just quickly show you. So it's frame frame dot set resizable and set this to false. So now even when we run this, we are not able to resize it. So it's literally the maximize button is disabled, and you are not able to resize this no matter how hard you try. Okay. The next thing will be, okay, so maybe let's I'll you know what, I have an idea. So the next thing will be to add the title here. So there's nothing here, so let's quickly go add a title. So what we will do for that is, let's go here, frame dot set title, and let's set this to some text like this is the title. So now when we run this, we can see that we have a title here. So the next thing I'll be showing you is, have you noticed this Java icon here? So it's not actually really nice to have a Java icon. So you can actually have an icon that actually suits your program. So for that, we will have to copy paste an image here. So let me just quickly show you how. So I have an image here. This is my YouTube channel logo. So let me just go quickly copy this. One sec, right clicking, copy, and we don't need this anymore. So now let's click on the swing frame, our project folder, right click on it and click paste. So we have our image here. So now let's come back to our editor and let's set the image icon. So it is image icon, image, continue, image icon, and let's just set the value to logo.png if it is in your, if it's in your project folder. If it's in somewhere else, you should have to type the folder path and close this. So let's go quickly import image.icon too. And the next thing we want to do is frame dot set icon image, and let's set this to image dot get image. So now I hope you can see the icon. I'm not really sure. So I think you can see a little shade of pink. So that's actually my icon. So you can actually change it to whatever you want. Okay, so the next thing we'll see will be changing the background. So it's like kind of complicated, so I'll just show you quickly. So you have got to remember this. It's frame dot get content pane and not yet done dot set background, and we can set this to any color we want, like blue or like color.blue. Or actually, the better thing you can do is set a custom color, like an RGB value. So what you can do, or you can just set like this also. So it's just color.blue or anything. So usually we just do new color, maybe RG. This is an RGB value, so you can just put like 1 30, 120, maybe 48, or and 247. So we need to import this. Now we have imported java.awt.color. So now when you run it, you can see that the color has changed to blue. Yes, blue. So as I said, you can just set this to like color dot something, blue or red or green or black or like most colors you can find. But I'll just set this to a random color, so I'll just select new color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is like a lucky number. Let's see what's the color. Okay, I actually forgot there's only below 255, so it's 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3. And maybe let's just put 1, 3, 2. So it's all different. Okay, so it's green color. So a lot of random. So that's like mostly it for frames. So I'll see you next time.